You can paste a problem into an AI and get working code back. That is real and it is impressive. The problem starts when your project gets bigger than one prompt. When you use AI one prompt at a time, a few things happen. The context is always incomplete. The AI doesn't know your code base, your constraints, or what you already decided. There are no checkpoints, so errors compound silently. And there's no spec to validate against, so you can't tell if what you got is actually correct. The output looks right, until it doesn't. The fix isn't a better prompt, it's a workflow. Specifically, a document-driven workflow where you produce 3 artifacts before you write a single line of code. A requirements document that defines what you're building and why. A design document that defines how you're going to build it. And a task plan that breaks the work into steps small enough for AI to execute reliably, one at a time. Requirements are not just a list of features, they're the answers to what problem does this solve, who uses it, and what does success look like. Writing this down forces clarity before any AI is involved, and when you do involve AI, it can stress test your requirements, find the gaps, the contradictions, the things you assumed but didn't say. Design is where you decide how to solve the problem structurally. What are the components? How do they connect? What are the data flows? This document is not code, it's a map. And a clear map makes every AI-generated piece of code dramatically easier to validate. The task plan is where the workflow connects to AI execution. You take the design and break it into tasks, each one specific enough that an AI agent can complete it without needing to guess context. Each task references the requirements and design documents, so the AI is always working with a complete picture. Execution then becomes, give the AI one task at a time, review its output against your spec, validate, and move to the next task. You are not reacting to whatever the AI produces. You are directing it, and you have the documents to verify that it did the right thing. This workflow works because it changes the relationship between you and the AI. Instead of hoping the AI understands your intent from a single prompt, you've externalized your intent into documents. The AI reads the spec. You validate against the spec. The spec is the source of truth, not the conversation. This is not a new idea. It's how software has been built by teams for decades. What's new is that AI makes it practical for a single developer to move through this entire process faster than ever before. If this workflow makes sense and you want to see it applied end-to-end on a real project, I put together a full walkthrough. Link is in the comments. Subscribe if you want more practical AI development techniques.